Hello everyone. So this video is for those pharmacists who are asking about that how much EOI we will submit to different states. Okay, so please listen carefully that if you will study your skills assessment outcome letter issued by Australian Pharmacy Council, so it is clearly mentioned that you are eligible for retail pharmacist job as well as hospital pharmacist jobs. Okay, so now, suppose if you want to submit EOI to Victoria, so you will submit one EOI per retail pharmacist, okay, and one EOI per 491 visa as a hospital pharmacist to Victoria. So two EOI, okay. After that, you will submit another EOI per 190 visa as a retail pharmacist and one another EOI per 190 visa as a hospital pharmacist. Okay, so total of 4 EOIs you will submit to Victoria. Okay, but Victoria also needs ROI, so you will also submit ROI, one ROI. You will create an account on the Life in Melbourne website and you will submit ROI. So this is the whole process how you will submit EOI and ROI. And similar is the case if you want to apply for the Western Australia. So you can submit two EOIs, okay, for 491 visa, one for retail as a retail pharmacist and one as a hospital pharmacist. And similarly, for the 190 visa as a hospital pharmacist and as a retail pharmacist to Western Australia. And similar is the case for the South Australia. So this is very, very important. Okay. So best of luck. If you have any question, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.